today's fast-paced industrial world, efficiency, speed, and remote accessibility are no longer optional. They are essential. Traditional control systems and manual switching often lead to delays, inefficiencies, and limited operational flexibility. Introducing the Ethernet Relay Controller, a smart, network-enabled solution designed to modernize industrial control systems. With built-in Ethernet connectivity, it enables seamless and reliable control of electrical loads across your network. Monitor and control your equipment remotely through computers, PLCs, SCADA systems, or custom software, anytime, anywhere. Perfect for industrial automation, motor and pump control, alarm and hooter systems, and remote equipment management. Engineered for industrial performance, it offers stable TCP/IP communication, multiple relay channels, fast response time, and effortless integration with existing automation systems. Compact, durable, and easy to install, it fits seamlessly into your control panels, helping you transition to smarter operations. Smart control, reliable automation, powered by Nex-G automation. Get in touch today to upgrade your automation systems. Nex-G Automation, engineering the future of industrial control. For your more information, contact Nex-G.